Today we're looking at a 2025 Rockwood Geo Pro 20 BHS. Rockwood Geo Pro in general, right? Or Rockwood in general. My favorite product. I've been here going on 19 years. I think as far as fit and finish, quality, construction, the amenities you get, nobody's better than Rockwood out there. My personal feelings. I think it's just, I've sold it for so long, and I know, I've got a lot of friends and family and people I know and customers that just don't really have any issues with them. So overall, Forest River makes it. Very good manufacturer. They take care of the customer after the sales, as well as us as a dealership at RV Wholesalers. And I think it's just jam-packed with features, but the biggest thing is how it's built from top to bottom. Construction and quality is top-notch.